Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to tell you about a job opportunity from Capgemini company. So I'm going to tell you about everything. So please watch the video till the end. So it is basically an opportunity for engineering and MCA graduate, and graduate should be of 2022 batch. Okay. So let me tell you about the company. So it is a global leader in partnering with companies to transform and manage their business by harnessing the power of technology. The group is guided every day by its purpose of unleashing human energy with the help of technology for an inclusive and sustainable future. They are responsible and diverse organization of about 3 lakh teams member and in nearly 50 countries across the world. With its strong 50 years heritage and a deep industry expertise, it is trusted by its client to address the entire breadth of the business needs for strategy and design to operation fueled by the vast, evolving and innovation world of cloud. Okay, so in India, it comprises of 1,50,000 team members, and they are working across 30 locations in India. And they are some of the locations are Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gandhinagar, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Noida, Pune, Salem, and etc. Okay. So now they have defined the purpose. So the nature of work and career are changing fast. So the right skills are equally essential along with the academic qualification. Some skills, extra skills are also needed apart from the academic qualification for a better future. So if you have the passion, the right skills, the aptitude to work with new technologies, then this is the right place where you can make your career. So you are cordially invited by them. So let me tell you about the eligibility criteria. Okay, so candidates graduating in 2022 batch only are eligible, and what are the academic qualifications required for applying is one should be in graduate in MCA, BE or BTech. Open for all branches for both BE and BTech. This means branch is not something which you have to look. If you have MCA or BTech, you can apply regardless of any branch. Okay, the next is ME or MTech student, open only for information technology, information science, computer science. Here branch is bounding. Next, one should have 60% and above in diploma graduation, aggregate of all 7 semesters, and MCA aggregate of all 5 semesters, ME and MTech. Also, candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages, and the academic milestone ages considered are 10th, 12th degree and post graduation. Candidate should not have any gap within an academic milestone. Candidate appear for 12th twice will be considered provided both the mark sheets are available. Candidate taking 5 years versus 4 years to complete BE, BTech. Candidate choosing degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. Okay. Now also, candidate should not have any blockage at the time of appearing of the process. You must be flexible to reallocate to your camping location, work across technology domain role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. You should be open to sign service legal agreement at the time of joining, and only the shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test, assessment and selection process. So I am going to tell you about the selection process also. So entire selection process from the test to interview will be done in virtual mode only due to the pandemic, and candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. And here they have given the important information that candidate who had already attempted the campus 2022 assessment process will not be eligible to apply and will not be processed further. Okay, so this is all about the eligibility criteria and some more important points. So the last date of registration is 15 December 2021, and your assessment will be scheduled starting from 18 December onwards. Now they have told about the assessment process. So the first step will be technical assessment pseudocode, which will be followed by multiple choice question based English communication test, and third step will be game based aptitude test, and fourth will be behavior competency profiling, and fifth will be technical and HR interview. Okay, so these are the 5 steps which you have to go through for getting selected into the process, and only those candidates who have cleared test assessment from step 1 to 3 will be invited for the interview, and interview will be online. I am again reminding you. So the behavior portfolio module is for understanding it is for understanding the innate profile of the candidate, for which they will share a work style report with the student who complete the behavior profiling module. Okay, so the fourth step will be basically for the understanding of the innate profile of the candidate. Okay, so now the question is how you will register. So you have to click on the registration process, and then in the second step you have to apply job pool campus drive for engineering MCA graduates 2022 batch, and then you should submit your application. Okay, so I have told you about everything, how you have to register, and for your convenience we are providing the registration link below. So I have told you about almost everything, and I am again reminding you the registration link is given below, so please apply as soon as possible you can. It is a wonderful opportunity for you guys. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and keep exploring yourself. Thank you everyone.